Alright, look. Alright. You ain't gotta say nothing. I know I ain't uploaded a video in shit. Oh my god. Wait, how long has it been? Look, I'm recording this on the spot. It's been 7 months. It's been 7 months since I uploaded a video. I know. Okay, look. I've been gone a long time. I got so many excuses for y'all though. So just stay tuned. So welcome back to another new video though. How y'all been doing? It's been a minute since I uploaded a video, I know. But I'm back and I have so many videos planned up. I literally have a backlog of videos, okay? But I'm gonna explain it. So how y'all doing? How y'all been? What y'all been up to? Yeah, actually y'all probably follow me on Instagram, so like if you don't, you should. But yeah, it's not like I haven't been active. I just haven't uploaded a YouTube video. But I'm back. In the background, you just gonna see some sketches that I did over like just some sketches that I've done over the course of like this long like period, this whole like school year. I basically went through a whole school year or semester since I uploaded a video. But I have so much to tell you guys. Oh my gosh. Don't worry, okay? I have very good reasons as to why I haven't uploaded a video. So let's just get right into it. So first things first, I ran out of storage on my iPad, bruh. So I can only draw so much on this iPad, but I definitely cannot record because recordings and like videos take up way too much space as a whole, just because of their MP4 files and stuff like that. And that's what I used to record my speed paint videos before, because I didn't have a laptop. It was just this iPad, okay? But recently I won a MacBook, and so now I can record videos from my iPad to the laptop, saving me storage. So now I can upload videos so much. Oh my god, bro, like since I got this MacBook, like life has just been fuego. It's been amazing, okay? I'm not gonna waste too much time. I'm just give y'all a nice update. This MacBook is amazing. I've been using it ever since I got it. I am so thankful that I won this MacBook. Oh my god, I'm so thankful for it. And it has been helping with my productivity because I'm already a productive ass person, and so it's done nothing but help me in this journey. So I'm so appreciative for winning this. So appreciative. I'm going to use it to the best of my ability, which means I'm going to be bringing y'all more videos, okay? But this also means that I get to work on my webtoon some more and update my portfolio some more. It's just so much more possibilities now that I have space to do things. I'm just so thankful. Right now it sounds like an airplane, but you know what, that's fine. We gonna rock with it. Yeah, and I've done a bit of rebranding that you'll see at the end, or not rebranding, but I kind of found this new little motif that I like to draw, and you'll see that at the end of the YouTube video as well. But I've been able to upload a lot more efficiently, right? I'll be able to create more videos faster, like so fast. Like this video didn't take me no time to edit. And right now I'm recording, which hopefully this will be the only. Honestly, I'm not cutting nothing. Like I'm not gonna cut anything. I'm gonna just record what's on my mind, because it's been a while since I recorded a YouTube video. So you know, I gotta get comfortable, and the only way I can get comfortable is without a script. So that's why we here. I really hope y'all do not hear the MacBook right now. Like it's so loud right now, but that's just because you know I'm recording a video, so it's gotta work. But yeah, and also, what else has happened? Oh my gosh, you see it on the screen right now. I drew this, bro. I got the most terrible sickness this past school year. It was terrible. Like I honestly thought I was gonna lose my life. Like it was terrible. It wasn't I can't refer to it. You know the one. It wasn't COVID-19. It wasn't that. COVID-21. It wasn't that one, okay? But it was. I think it was tonsillitis. I think it was definitely tonsillitis. My tonsils were swollen. I was just going through it. Like, oh my gosh, it was terrible. And so I had to. It messed with my diet. I couldn't eat a lot, so I lost some weight, and it was just terrible. So I had to recover from that. and I also had to finish school. So the past the past 2 months, I've just been recuperating, recovering from all the weight that I lost. I gotta eat more. I gotta exercise more. I'm gonna be working this summer, so these YouTube videos and you know, just getting my body back, man. I'm trying to get built. I'm trying to be built like Deku. I'm trying to be built like Toto. I've seen a lot of, also watched a lot of anime, manga, TV, and movies. So I'm gonna be doing a lot of drawing and video games. I'm gonna be doing a lot of drawings for everything. You know, I gotta catch up. We got some catching up to do. So I'm not gonna waste too much time. At the end here, after you draw, I kind of drew. You see my little Crocs. I got some Crocs, and I love wearing them, bro. This is my only pair of Crocs, but I fuck with them. I rock with them a lot. But at the end, you're gonna see this drawing of me in like this frog hat, and so I've done a lot of like this. I don't know. I love frogs, and so like I found a way to incorporate them in my drawings now. So you'll be seeing a lot of that. I got a lot of announcements on the way, so stay tuned. Thank y'all so much for sticking around with me. Please, I hope y'all enjoyed this little video, this little fast-paced video I did. And follow me on all social media platforms. I'm still very active. I'm gonna get back to YouTube pretty damn soon. So I appreciate y'all so much. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening to me. I know I probably went kind of fast, but I really want to get these videos that I have planned out. Like I'm ready to get this shit uploaded and stuff. I'm also gonna try to stop swearing a lot. But yeah, so I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all so much. I'm so happy I got this MacBook. I can get to work. So many new videos, ideas I have. I can't wait to upload them. But yeah, I will catch y'all on the flip side. Normally I would jump out of a window, but I don't do that no more.